This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross headlight bulb. First, open the hood of your vehicle. Locate the back of the headlight assembly, which is typically behind the headlight unit. You will see a circular dust cover. Twist this cover about 1/4 turn counterclockwise to remove it. This step grants you access to the bulb itself. Now, with the dust cover off, you will see the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Carefully pinch or press any tabs to disconnect this wiring harness. Next, you need to remove the old bulb. Give it a slight push forward, then twist it approximately 1/4 turn counterclockwise. Once released, gently pull the bulb straight out of its housing. When handling your new bulb, which is typically a 9012 or HIR2 type, always hold it by its plastic base. Avoid touching the glass, as oils from your skin can significantly shorten its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb into the housing, aligning its 3 tabs with the corresponding slots. Push it gently inward, then twist it about 1/4 turn clockwise until you feel it click firmly into place. With the new bulb securely in place, reconnect the electrical wiring harness. Ensure it clicks firmly to establish a good connection. Next, replace the circular dust cover by aligning it and twisting it clockwise until it is snug. Finally, close your vehicle's hood and turn on your headlights to verify that the new bulb illuminates properly. You've successfully changed your headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.